hello fabulous viewers, and this is a general love reading for the sign of Aquarius from the 15th to 31st of March. Now remember, this is a general reading, so it may or may not resonate with all of you. Please take whatever resonates and leave the rest. Please check your sun, moon, rising, and also in this reading I'm going to tell you about your feelings, your person's feeling, challenges, and what action they are going to take, and maybe the guidance also. So let's start. Now what are the feelings of Aquarius? Please show me what the Aquarius is feeling. Aquarius क्या feel कर रहा है इस समय my lefty? What does the Aquarius feel right now in this cosmos? Okay, you have the Page of Pentacles upright, and at the bottom of the deck you have the Ace of Cups. So they are not feeling any kind of love. They are just they are just maybe they are starting something. I don't know, we'll clarify and see. So let's clarify the Page of Pentacles. They are new experiences. Page of Pentacles is written new experiences. So let's clarify this Page of Pentacles. What are they feeling? What is the Aquarius feeling with the Page of Pentacles? Okay, so it is clarified by the Three of Swords in the reverse, by the Queen of Swords upright, and by the Page of Swords in the reverse. So yeah, they जो Aquarius है ये heartache से बाहर निकल रहे हैं, breakup से बाहर निकल गए हैं, और they are only wanting to know the truth. तो they are like, if they want to start something, first they want to talk, they want to have a clear talking about love, that there is no love, there is no emotion. So why there is no emotion, King of, they want to talk about stability, the long term future. They want to talk about this ending. So they want to know the truth. What is the truth? Then only they will start anything. That is what they are feeling. They want to know the truth. They want to talk, they want to clear the things. Then only they are they want to know कि whether अगर आगे चल के वो अपना टाइम और एनर्जी देंगे तो उसका रिजल्ट क्या होगा, whether there will be any future or not. Okay, so now let's clarify the energy of the person of Aquarius. What is the energy of the person of Aquarius? Aquarius के person की energy क्या है? My lovely, just a minute, the cards are just falling off. So let's see what is the energy of Aquarius. Aquarius की energy क्या है? What is the energy of the person of Aquarius? Sorry. Bottom of the deck you have the Sun in the reverse with the Wheel of Fortune, Three of Cups. So Three of Pentacles. So Aquarius आपकी जो पर्सन है वो उनकी एनर्जी समय की शायद वर्क रिलेटेड है कि किसी चीज़, कुछ प्रोजेक्ट या कोई ऐसी चीज़ है जो कि वर्कआउट नहीं कर रही है उनकी आपके पर्सन की लाइफ में. इट कुड बी रिलेशनशिप विद यू ऑल्सो विच इज़ नॉट वर्किंग आउट एक्चुअली, एंड दे आर वेरी अनहैप्पी विद दिस. सो द व्हील ऑफ फॉर्चून, बट अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ आर कमिंग. maybe they want to reconcile. Opportunities are coming in future for your person, and they will get chances to talk to you maybe. So because presently the things are not working out in their favor. So let's clarify this Three of Pentacles. Please clarify the Three of Pentacles as the energy of the person of Aquarius. Aquarius की person की energy है Three of Pentacles in the reverse. Please clarify this. You have the Seven of Wands in the reverse, you have the Four of Wands in the reverse, and you have the Ten of Pentacles. So yeah, आपके जो person है, they want Ten of Pentacles. Now Ten of Pentacles means that this is the ultimate financial card in the tarot. यानी कि Ten of Pentacles तक की स्थिति पहुँचने में आपको काफ़ी टाइम लगता है, ऑलमोस्ट 10 years, और आपका रिश्ता भी इतना पुराना हो सकता है, जान पहचान हो सकती है, और ये एक फैमिली सेटअप है, इसमें इसमें सब कुछ है. दिस इज़ लाइक लेगेसी यू आर क्रिएटिंग. सो दे वांट अ लॉन्ग टर्म फ्यूचर विद यू. दे वांट टू हैव फैमिली विद यू. मे बी दे वांट टू हैव चिल्ड्रन विद यू. बिकॉज अभी इस समय ये रिलेशनशिप नहीं वर्कआउट कर रही है. एंड दे आर गिविंग अप फाइटिंग. दे डोंट वांट टू फाइट एनी मोर. सो दिस इज़ वॉट देयर एनर्जी इज़ कि you know it is very difficult for them to walk away. It is very difficult for them to walk away. So they want to call you, they want to message you. You are their wish fulfillment. This is what it is showing me. So this is what the energy is कि things are not working out. So therefore you know they are finding it difficult how to solve the situation. Now let's see what is the challenge between you two people. What is the challenge between Aquarius and the person, my lovely? आप दोनों के बीच में चैलेंज क्या है प्रेजेंट मोमेंट में? व्हाट इज द चैलेंज बिटवीन यू टू पीपल? सो द चैलेंज इज द पेज ऑफ वॉन्ड्स इन द रिवर्स. यू नो द चैलेंज इज द पेज ऑफ वॉन्ड. दैट इज इन अ सेंस yeah, there is no communication between you. There is no contact. Or Five of Pentacles in the reverse. So yeah, you people are separated. Definitely there's a lot of challenges. You also have in your person's energy, you have the Knight of Wands upright. Here you have your challenge is Knight of Wands. That is कि आप लोगों में कुछ भी you know कुछ भी चल नहीं रहा है. आप लोग बातचीत नहीं कर रहे हैं. You are not in touch. So the challenge is कि how to message you. आपसे कैसे बातचीत की जाए. How you both should start talking to each other freely. This is what your challenge is. So let's clarify your challenge, which is the Page of Wands. Please clarify the challenge, Page of Wands for Aquarius. आप दोनों में कम्युनिकेशन नहीं हो रहा है. एंड दे फाइंड यू. देर इज़ लॉट ऑफ अट्रैक्शन बिटवीन यू टू पीपल. देर इज़ लॉट ऑफ अट्रैक्शन एंड लॉट ऑफ फैसिनेशन विद ईच अदर. बट ये आपका सोलमेट कनेक्शन है, तो अभी आप लोग टच में नहीं है. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट योर चैलेंज इज. दैट इज देर इज़ नो कम्युनिकेशन बिटवीन यू टू पीपल. नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट एक्शन योर पार्टनर इज़ गोइंग टू टेक. क्या कोई एक्शन लेंगे या नहीं लेंगे? लेट्स सी व्हाट विल द person of Aquarius, what action they will take. You've got the Five of Pentacles in the reverse, Ten of Wands in the upright position. So yeah, they are going to take action because वो इस बैगेज से दूर आना चाहते हैं. ये जो बैगेज, इमोशनल बैगेज कैरी कर रहे हैं, बहुत बर्डन कैरी कर रहे हैं अपने माइंड में, उससे बाहर आना चाहते हैं. तो दे आर गोइंग टू डेफिनेटली टेक सम एक्शन. सो लेट्स क्लैरिफाई द टेन ऑफ वॉन्ड्स. व्हाट एक्शन दे आर गोइंग टू टेक? व्हाट एक्शन विल द पर्सन ऑफ एक्वेरियस टेक? या what action they are going to take, like they want to come out of this. वो stability पे काम करना चाहते हैं. And they have lot of emotions for you. They are emotionally mature now. And they are also very financially also well off. And they see you as well कि you are also very independent minded person. And you are also very independent. You are not dependent for money on them. So actually there are two energies here, King of Cups, King of Pentacles. So there can be two people in your life. So I don't know which one is going to take the action, King of Cups or King of, and if it is the same person, then now that person is also इमोशनली मेच्योर, काफ़ी इमोशनली मेच्योर है और फाइनेंशियली भी. और आपको भी वो बहुत ही रिस्पेक्टफुली दे गिव लॉट ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट फॉर यू नाउ. give lot of respect to you now because they see that you are independent minded person. You are not dependent on anything emotionally or you know financially. आप अपने काम खुद कर रही हैं और अपने आप में खुश हैं. Now what is the guidance for the Aquarius? Okay, the guidance is the the Seven of Pentacles in the reverse, that is faith, by the Judgment upright and by the Six of Cups upright. So सो यू शुड टेक अ कॉल, देयर इज़ अ वेकअप कॉल फॉर यू कि आपका सोलमेट कनेक्शन हो सकता है। तो आपके लिए वेकअप, आपको मेजर रियलाइजेशन है कि देर आर लॉट ऑफ लविंग मेमोरीज, आप लोगों ने बहुत मेमोरीज क्रिएट करी है। एंड यू नो विद द 7 ऑफ पेंटिकल्स आप यू हैव टू आपके लिए है कि आप बार बार इसको बार बार एनालाइज करने से कि आप इसका ये जो आपने टाइम एनर्जी इन्वेस्ट करी है इसका क्या होना है, इससे निकल करके यू शुड हैव अ मेजर रियलाइजेशन दैट you should come take a decision whether you want to reconcile or not, whether you want to forgive your partner or not, if there is some mistakes they have done. So your guidance is to take up to that you should take up a call whether you want to forgive this person or not, whether you want to give a second chance or not, whether you want to reconcile or not. So instead of कि आप हर बार दूसरे पर्सन को लटका के रखें और आपको इस एनालाइज करते रहते हैं और वेट करते रहते हैं, इट इज़ बेटर यू शुड एंड दिस वेटिंग गेम एंड देन यू शुड try to understand whether you want to have a new beginning with that person or not. So this is what I have for you, Aquarius. I hope it helped, and please like and subscribe to the channel. I'll be very grateful. Since then, bye bye.